Hey guys, what's up? So in this quick video I'm going to show you how you can get this
Ladies and gentlemen,
blue hair color filter on TikTok. Okay, so this is the effect. To get this effect, what you can do, just go to your effect gallery. Okay, it's already in my favorite. Remember this image, this is the filter. Go to your trending section and look for this image. This is the filter. Suppose you can't see the filter here in your trending section, what you can do, tap on the search button and search for blue hair color. Okay, the second one with 1.7 million videos, this is the effect. Tap on it. Okay, you got the effect. Suppose you are not getting the effect like this from the effect gallery or from the search, what you can do, go to your For You page. Okay, here search for blue hair color filter. Okay, you will see many videos with this effect. Just tap on the first one. Okay, as you can see on the bottom left corner of the video, the effect name is there, just tap there. Okay, this is the effect. Now from here you can add it to your favorites, and at the bottom of the screen you will see use this effect. Just tap there.
I got.
Okay, and you got the filter. So that's it guys. Likewise you can get this blue hair filter on TikTok. So thanks for watching the video guys. See you in the next video.